Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sam. Okay, I just finished I just confirmed my email, my registration for EOSDAQ, EOSDAQ, not EOSDAC, that we all know. All right, so they are doing an early bird airdrop, EOSDAQ early bird registration airdrop. So this is the info on how to participate, right? So it's actually very easy. Alright, so all you just have to do is sign up with Scatter and your email. I'll drop a link in the description for those of you who don't know how to install Scatter into your browser. Alright, so please see below for general information about the events and instructions for participation. About the events, airdrop, 4 types of tokens will be airdropped. I'm sure that's what it means. It means they will airdrop 4 types of tokens: EOS, OCT, CET, and IQ tokens. Alright, so they will have a total of 500 winners, and it will run until 15th of October. That's exactly 5 days after my birthday. Alright, so you just have to join the Telegram channel. So registering is actually very simple. So first you need to have an EOS account. If you don't have an EOS account, just going through this Medium post, the links are right there. You can click it. I'll drop a link to this article as a whole so you guys can easily go through this and register. Alright, so you can download Scatter wallet. Alright, and once you install Scatter into your browser, it will show here, and once you click it, you can actually put your password if you have password like it. Alright, so it's actually very simple. So you just go through the instructions, you set up your Scatter. Once you set up your Scatter, you come back to the website and you click Scatter, and then it will pop up. You accept, you click here and accept, and then you fix in your email, and then once your email is fixed, you go to your you accept this, go to your email, and then confirm. You confirm the registration, which I've already done. Hold up. Okay, this is like I already clicked this already, so I don't need to click it anymore. So once you click and confirm the registration, you're done. This is what you see. All right, so this is what you see after confirming the registration. All right, so that's just basically it. And make sure you join the Telegram channel to be updated on what's happening. All right, so this is the first time I'm trying to log into this exchange. All right, so my Scatter is still open. So all right, so I'm trying to sign in. Okay, so I accepted that through Scatter, and I'll click sign in. And this is actually the first time I'm signing into this exchange. So let's see what it looks like. Right, so my internet right here is really slow, so just bear with me. Alright, so this is what the exchange looks like. Alright, so these are, I don't know, these are percentage growth of each of the tokens rather, or I think that's what it's supposed to be, because I can see percentages right there. Alright, so about the event, we'll select 500 winners and I drop 100 tokens to each winner. The type of token will be determined randomly out of the 4: EOS, OCT, CET, and IQ. US winners will receive 5 tokens instead of 100. Right. So instructions on how to participate. That's what we read through the first time. So that's basically it about that. So I think the exchange is coming soon. That's why I can click there. Wallet is coming soon. Support is coming soon. Alright, so guys, that's how to register to get free tokens. Right, I'm sure that was easy enough. So I'll drop a link to the website and a link to the Medium post so you get early birds. Thank you.